When you hear CERN, do you think of the World Wide Web? A lot of people don't realize that it was formed after World War II to bring together Europe's brightest scientists. And they were working on loads of things, technology, but they also built the World Wide Web, which is what we all use now. But they've done something really interesting with WordPress recently. Before I tell you, I do want to give my big appreciation for CERN because they are investigating and interrogating some of the fundamentals of life, the building blocks of the universe, and they are so clever in some of the stuff they come out with. So what has CERN done that is such a big thing with regards to WordPress? What they've gone and done is move their flagship website over to WordPress. Now you might think big deal, but this isn't just any website migration. This is CERN we're talking about. And when you think about all of the solutions out there, why did they choose to go with WordPress? And by the way, this was announced during WordCamp Europe 2026 in Krakow, Poland. Basically, CERN evaluated multiple different content management systems and they decided that WordPress was their best choice. They decided they're going to use Gutenberg blocks and they're quite happy with it. But here's where it gets really interesting. Like I just said, they evaluated loads of systems. The fact that they went and used WordPress is a big deal. Now, sometimes when I tell people I like using WordPress, it's not uncommon for them to say, isn't that just for blogging websites? And although there is some truth in that, the fact that an organization like CERN has decided to go with WordPress rather than other solutions, especially with AI out there, that is a big deal. Especially if you're a freelancer, a business, web agency using Elementor or any other solution, it kind of puts the trust back into WordPress. And for me, that's a positive story that's worth paying attention to.